Hi everybody. So today I'm back at the workshop that I used to work at a year ago. It's called Four Seasons Automobiles. As you can see, we tend to like really unique stuff like an electric chariot. We're out here for one special car. If you can spot it, it's a light blue color car and somewhere right behind me. Let's go check it out. Let the V8 come to life. Temperature being perfect outside just makes these babies work a lot better. So we're off to an early morning start. I feel by far this is the best time to drive this car since, as you can see, it's a manual car. It's got a 1000-watt sound surround system. 1000 watts in a car like this. It's a lot. From the stance, make the car tuck into corners a little quicker also, which is pretty amazing.